Hi guys, welcome to our next tutorial, how to create a website to acquire revenue or to earn money. Yeah, in our previous video I spoke to you about doctype HTML, why this is used. It's used to describe the HTML5, and then this is the whole thing we did the last time. Our previous video, this is what we did. HTML, we all know, is hypertext markup language. It's a scripting language. So for now, we will start with the scripting language. And I said that the div is a division and it has attributes of class and an ID. We use ID when we're talking about an entity, and we use class when you're talking about a group of content or entities, right? So we can say classes are used for universal purpose. It holds universal a lot of items, and then the ID is a subset. It actually contains a little or a single content, which is an entity. Okay, so this is actually going to contain every aspect of our code, so I call it container. But I'll be creating our header today. We'll be dealing with the header. We'll have to design our header today, and I will say we're going to use ID because we are dealing with header and not headers or anything plural. This is singular, so singular is ID. Okay, so let's give a name of header and then we close it. Okay, so this is our div header, and then we are going to style our header today. Today, let me talk to you about styling. I never spoke to you about styling. Styling, we have internal styling, we have external styling, and then embedded styling. Embedded styling has to do with putting your styling in HTML tags. Okay, put this down. Putting your styling in HTML tags, and then internal styling is doing it inside the HTML body or even within the HTML file. Okay, this one you can do it here like this, which I love to do today. This is called the internal styling. Okay, this is called internal styling. And then we have external styling, where you have to link. You create a link here. We use the link keyword here, the link tag. We use the link tag and then call it style sheet. That's how it's done. And then HREF, the hypertext reference, actually is able to trace the location of that specific file, that hypertext reference. Okay, so you can give any name, but you have to end with an extension of what? CSS, where this file has to be stored in the same location of the HTML file. Right. In our next session, I will actually describe to you a lot about CSS, but for now, I want us to design our header. And then to target our header is using an ID. So we go in with hashtag, follow with a name. Supposing if it's a class, it will go with a period sign, or we say the dot sign, and then followed by the name, container. All right, but today we're dealing with the header. We want to provide a header to our website, and then we say we're going to give it a width of 100%, and then we're going to give it a height of 50 pixels. All right, and then give it a background color of blue. Right, we get background color blue. So this is one thing I love about Sublime Text. It's able to predict for you, and it's able to detect error so that you actually get things done quickly. So let's come to our folder. This is the folder name, new folder, and then I right click on it and open with my browser, the Google Chrome browser, and you see we have our header 100%. It's touching to the last end of our web document or our web page, and have a body of 50 pixels. So today, this is what you're gonna do. So in our next session, I'll talk to you much about the styling, and then we will design our navigation bar, which is very important. And then as a beginner, it's good to know all this. Thank you so much for your attention. Please remember to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.